Starting an e-commerce store often feels like guessing. Most new sellers fail because they choose products based entirely on intuition rather than hard market data. That is where Trendblitz comes in. It functions as a unified environment specifically built to handle product discovery, financial validation, and marketing asset creation all in one place. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to find a highly validated product and have a completely finished video ad ready to test. When you open the dashboard, you get an immediate look at trending opportunities. The main grid highlights a wide variety of product categories that have already been vetted for you. Finding a profitable item isn't about getting lucky. It's about following a strict, repeatable sequence of data-driven steps. Step 1 is discovery. If you already have an item in mind from a site like AliExpress, you can simply paste the direct supplier link right into the search bar to run a full analysis. Alternatively, you can pull straight from the dashboard's top recommendations. Take a look at this outdoor portable backpack. The interface shows us it retails for $59.99 and tracks its performance directly from the supplier platform. Notice the trend scores attached to these items. These numbers track real-time buyer traction, allowing you to enter a market just as a product begins to peak. This initial discovery phase filters out the noise, ensuring you only spend your time on items with proven momentum. Let's run a deeper dive on a specific case study, the Japanese-style crossbody bag. Under the Market Intel tab, the platform identifies the exact demographic most likely to convert. In this case, fashion-conscious individuals looking for practical accessories. Right below that, we review the customer pain point. Shoppers are frustrated by the lack of bags that are both fashionable and functional. This tells us exactly what problem our future ad copy needs to solve. Next, we move to the Profit Analysis tab. It is dangerous to rely on the default numbers here. A $79.99 selling price with a $0 product cost creates an unrealistic margin. To get an accurate picture, we input the real-world supplier cost of $29. That leaves us with a true net margin of $50.99. A product is only worth testing if that final unit economy gives you enough profit margin to sustain aggressive advertising costs. This interest over time chart pulls live search data directly from Google Trends. It confirms the item has maintained stable search volume over a 12-month period, ensuring you aren't investing your budget into a temporary fad that will collapse before you launch. With demand verified, we check the Marketing tab. Here, the system auto-generates winning hooks like versatile for everyday use, providing a solid foundation for your ad copy. Finally, we conduct a safety check in the Risks and Warnings tab. The platform verifies that the supplier is established and issues a green, safe-to-test recommendation. Cross-referencing the dashboard's internal scores with external search metrics provides a reliable validation that significantly lowers your financial risk. Now we turn those validated metrics into an actual asset. In the viral ad generator, you begin by selecting the highest quality product images from the provided grid. Next, apply a high-conversion badge. Selecting Winning Product from the drop-down menu adds an overlay designed to grab attention on fast-scrolling social feeds. Here's what the finished export looks like. Returning to the outdoor backpack we identified earlier, the generator populates these value proposition banners. They communicate the main features clearly, meaning the ad works perfectly even if the viewer's sound is muted. The video closes with a clear call to action, matching the exact $59.99 price point we validated on the dashboard. Automating this creative workflow means you can test dozens of products a week, completely removing the bottleneck of manual video editing. In just a few minutes, we took a raw product category, validated the profit margins, verified its search demand, and generated a finished video asset. Your next step is to save your validated items and use the Push to Shopify feature. This allows you to instantly sync the listings straight to your live store. The difference between a struggling store and a profitable one comes down to the speed and accuracy of this validation process. Start your first product search on Trendblitz today.